Hi there, this is Kyle Barnett with Asset Panda. Today, I'd like to go over our Oracle NetSuite integration. Now, what this integration would be utilized for is if you want to bring over your information from NetSuite into Asset Panda. Now, this could include, but is not limited to, let's say, our departments, our subsidiaries, our vendors, our purchase orders and their information, but also our inventory items and our item receipts. So what you want to do to get started is first we want to create that collection where these records are going to be stored in. Now, as we can see here, I already have my inventory items collection here with those fields that I want to have in it, but I can also have other ones like I have my item receipt here. I can have my purchase orders, my departments in there. Once I get those collections set up, then I want to go ahead and select my settings and go find my integrations bucket. Once I find that, I want to select manage and then go to my integration store. From here, I should be able to find Oracle NetSuite. But if I can't find it, I can always use the search bar at the top here. And I can go and type in NetSuite. As we can see, it pops up. From here, I can select that add button. And when I add it in, it's then going to appear under my integrations in this module. From here, I can select configure and I can start to input the data that we need to go and get these two connected. What we are going to need from NetSuite is going to be the account ID, that consumer key or client ID, the consumer secret or client secret, the token ID, and the token secret. Once we get all of those connected, then we can go and select this test and save connection. That's going to allow us actually to connect to NetSuite. From here, I can select continue with mapping after I've connected it, and I can start to create my mappings to bring that data in. Now, I already have a little bit of those mappings set up, but let's say I didn't. I can go and hit the add new mapping, give this mapping a name, test NetSuite. And then from here, I have two different things to select. First is my external entity. From here, it's going to be where am I pulling that data from? Again, am I pulling my item inventory? Am I pulling those receipts or those purchase orders? Let's say here I do want to pull that item inventory. Then in that collection, this is going to be those collections that we want this data going into. And I can go ahead and find that collection that we built, my inventory items. And from here, I can start to do my custom field mapping. So first, I want to start with my identifier. And again, what that identifier is going to be on the Asset Panda side. And then I can come down and start to select the information that I want from NetSuite. Let's say that item code, the quantity, the purchase price. I can start to bring all of that in. And then I can go ahead and input those in Asset Panda. Hey, the display name, the item type, that cost, and go from there. From here, I can go ahead and save this, and then that includes my mapping. Now, if I don't want to bring everything over from my inventory, then I can also select my filter right here, and I can start to filter by attributes like my inventory type. Again, to where let's just say I only want specific items, and I can go and filter for those. Once I create this mapping, I can go and save it. And then from here, my mapping has been created. Now, I do want to do one final thing before I'm finished here, and that is create an automation for this. Again, we've created the mapping. That's going to tell us where the data is going, but it's not going to start that actual sync. From here, I do need to create that automation. Give this a name, test inventory NetSuite -AB. Go ahead and save that. And what that's going to do is it's now going to bring me to my automation setup page for this integration. From here, I can, again, select when I want it to happen. Let's say that interval. Do I want this to happen daily, weekly, monthly, or even hourly? When do I want it to start? And then what do I want it to do? Now, by default, it is going to already have that integration tied into it and run that integration. But let's say I also want to have a notification sent out letting me know, hey, that integration ran. Well, I can also do that. Once I do this, I can go ahead and save that automation, and then it will start running at that time threshold or that period threshold that we set up. From here, that integration is up to date and live and should be updating those inventory items or whichever items you've selected from Oracle to go ahead and have it inside of Asset Panda. I want to thank you guys so much for listening to this. I hope you guys enjoy our new NetSuite integration. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to click the link below to go ahead and communicate that with someone here at Asset Panda, or you can always reach out and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.